Students, I welcome you all for costing methods and techniques class. In today's class, we are going to solve last problem on operating costing. So from next class, I'll be starting with your third unit. Okay, so here is the problem. Khushwant Singh has started transport business with a fleet of 10 taxis. The various expenses incurred by him are given below. Cost of each taxi rupees 75,000. Salary of office staff rupees 1,500 per month. Salary of garage rent rupees 2,000 per month. Rent of garage rupees 1,000 per month. Driver salary per taxi rupees 400 per month. Road tax and repairs per taxi rupees 2,160 per annum. Insurance premium at 4% of cost per annum. The life of the taxi is estimated to be 3 lakh kilometers, and at the end of which it is estimated to be sold at rupees 15,000. The taxi runs on an average 4,000 kilometers per liter, costing rupees 9 per liter. Oil and other sundry expenses amounted to rupees 10 per 100 kilometers. Calculate the cost of running a taxi per kilometer of the line. Of the line charges are rupees 2 per kilometer. Find out the profit. Mr. Singh may expect it for the first year of operation. So this operating cost it has to be prepared for 1 year. Okay. Okay. Write down next line. Khushwant Singh. Next line. Operating cost sheet for the year ending. Okay. Particulars and 2 amount columns. So here also first we are going to segregate the expenses as fixed or standing charges. Okay. Yes. Now cost of taxi they have given. Yes. Now here cost of taxi, it means it is related to depreciation, right? Okay, so take down working note, calculation of depreciation. Okay, now depreciation is equals to, now cost of that taxi is given, so cost of taxi is 75,000. Okay, now just check if there is scrap. There is a scrap. Here they have given the life of a taxi is estimated to be 3 lakh kilometers, and at the end of which it is estimated to be sold at rupees 15,000. So it is nothing but it is scrap value. Okay, so minus 15,000. Okay, but here they have not given like how many years the taxi has been used, but they have given how many kilometers the taxi has run. So it has run for 3 lakh kilometers. Okay, now which will be equal to 0.2 per kilometer. Okay, 0.2 per kilometer. Okay, yes. Now, but we don't know like actually how much the taxi has run. Okay, its estimated life is to run for 3 lakh kilometers, but we don't know exactly how much the taxi has run. So that we will have to find it out first. So next line, take down total running of a taxi in a year. Okay, now next line. Go through the problem. Okay. Now there are 10 taxis, right? Okay. Now just check whether like how many kilometers the taxi has run. They have given a word. The taxi runs on an average 4,000 kilometers per liter. Okay, costing rupees 9 per liter. But taxi on an average the taxi runs for 4,000 kilometers, right? So here 4,000 kilometers into, as we are calculating this for 1 year, so 12 months, which is equals to 48,000 kilometers. Okay, so depreciation for 1 year is equals to rupees 0.2 into 48,000 kilometers. Okay, so which will be equal to 9,600. Okay, now 9,600 is for only one taxi. Okay, so depreciation for 10 taxis is equals to 9,600 rupees into 10 taxis, that will be equal to 96,000. Hope so everybody is understanding. Okay, now go through the chart statement. Here depreciation note number 1, inner column 96,000. Okay, is that clear? Hope so everybody is understanding. Okay, now next is salary of office staff 1,500 per month. Salary of office staff in bracket you can show the calculation 1,500 per month I have told, so multiplied by 12 months because we are calculating it for 1 year. Okay, so that will be 18,000. Now next, salary of garage staff, it is 2,000 per month. $2,000 into 12 months, that is 24,000. Next is rent of garage 1,000 per month. $1,000 per month. Okay, that is 12,000. Next, driver's salary per taxi rupees 400 per month. Okay, so 400 into 12 months into 10 taxis. Okay, so that will be 12,000. No, that will be 48,000. Sorry, 48,000. Okay. Road tax and repairs together they have given. So we will take it under first point itself. Okay, because road tax will be fixed. Road tax per taxi rupees 2,160 per annum. Okay. 2,160 into 10 taxis 21,600. Okay. Now next, insurance premium at 4% of cost per annum. So for that we will have one working note. Second working note, calculation of insurance premium. So it cost of taxi is 75,000 into 4%, which will be equal to 3,000. Okay, but premium for 10 taxis, premium for 10 taxis is equals to 3,000 into 10 taxis, which is equals to 30,000. Okay, now here note number 2, 30,000. Okay, again go through the problem if anything if we have left out. Okay, now second one is repairs and maintenance charges. Now just go through the problem. If repairs and maintenance charges, if they have given, they haven't given this because together they are given road tax and repairs. Okay, so we will not take that because already we have taken. One more thing, add first point total, so that will be 2,49,600. Okay, 2,49,600. Now next is running or operating charges. Now go through the problem. Here we have the information related to oil. Okay, the taxi runs on an average 4,000 kilometers per liter, costing rupees 9 per liter. Oil and other sundry expenses amounted to rupees 10 per 100 kilometers. Okay, so this they have given. Okay, now for petrol charges calculation, we will have one working note. Okay, take down third working note, calculation of petrol charges. Okay, now total running of a taxi is 48,000 kilometers. Already we have calculated it in first working note. Just we will mention here total running of a taxi. Taxi is 48,000 kilometers. Okay, now next is total running of ten taxis in a year, which will be equals to 48,000 into 10 taxis. Okay, that will be equal to 4,80,000 kilometers. 4,80,000 kilometers. Okay, now what they have given here? Rupees 9 per liter they have given. Okay, it means for 9 kilometers it is 9 rupees. Okay, now here petrol consumption is 9 kilometers per liter, costing rupees 9 per liter they have given. Okay. Okay, now here for 10 taxes, 4,80,000 kilometers. Okay, yes. Now kilometers and cost. Okay, now for 9 kilometers, it is 9 rupees, which is given in the problem, and we have calculated 10 taxis have run for 4,80,000 kilometers. Then how much will be the cost? Okay, now 4,80,000 into 9 divided by 9, which will be equal to rupees 4,80,000, right? Okay, now petrol charges here. Petrol charges 4,80,000. Hope so everybody is understanding. This is given here. If you go through the problem, see, petrol consumption is rupees 9 kilometers per liter, costing rupees 9 per kilometer. Okay, yes. So here you can mention, that is note number 3. Note number 3. Okay, now next, oil and other sundry expenses. Oil and other sundry expenses. Okay, now for that, what information they have given? Oil and other sundry expenses amounted to rupees 10 per 100 kilometers. So per 100 kilometers they have told. So take down next working note. This way we'll take it to the next page only. Okay, now here calculation of oil and other expenses. So here kilometers and rupees. Okay, now for 100 kilometers expense incurred is rupees 10, which is given in the problem. Okay, now 10 taxis have run for 4,80,000 kilometers. Okay, then how much will be the cost? Okay, yes. Now 4,80,000 into 10 divided by 100. So that is rupees 48,000. It is rupees 48,000. So go here, you can write note number 4, and it is 48,000. Okay. Yes. Now only two expenses that are given. Okay. Now make a total and take it to the outer column. That is 5,28,000. Okay. Now make total of all three. 7,77,600. Okay, so this is called as what? Total operating cost. Okay. Now next working note, calculation of cost of running a taxi per kilometer. Okay, so that is total operating expenses or total operating cost divided by total kilometers. So total kilometers at least already we have calculated. So this is 7,77,600 divided by 4,80,000 kilometers, which is equals to rupees 1.62, which is equals to rupees 1.62. So they have asked us to calculate profit as well. Now related to profit, what information they have given? See what they have told. Calculate the cost of running of taxi per kilometer of the line charges. Line charges are rupees 2 per kilometer. Okay, yes. Now actually they incur 1.62, but actually how much they are charging? 2 rupees they are charging. So here you can write profit per kilometer is equals to 2 rupees 2 minus rupees 1.62. Okay, that is equals to rupees 0.38. Okay, then profit of for 1 year is equals to, that is rupees 0.38 is for per kilometer, right? Now taxi has run for 4,80,000 kilometers. That is equals to rupees 1,82,400. Okay, so profit for 1 year is 1,82,400. Understanding everyone? Hope so this problem is clear to everyone. Please go through the problem, working notes and solve it again so that it will be clear for you all. Okay, in my next class I'm going to start with your third unit, that is process costing. Okay, so see you in next class.